Turck's Fluid Plus platform encompasses pressure sensors, flow sensors, temperature sensors, and both ultrasonic and radar level sensors. They combine user-friendly functionality with multiple award-winning design. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. This is Industry Update Video. Innovative capacitive touchpads make Fluid Plus devices easy to program. They eliminate wear-prone buttons and enable more reliable solutions. The sensor controls are unlocked with a swipe gesture, just like a smartphone. Fluid Plus sensors are extremely rugged. They are rated at IP69K and feature a sturdy stainless body. The Fluid Plus family all share a simple, intuitive configuration process. Their I/O link capability enables extra data collection, remote monitoring, and remote configuration. The radar and ultrasonic level sensors can be configured with the vessel dimensions and calculate volume or level in various formats without the need for external data processing. When using the web server, which is embedded in Turck's I/O link controllers, it's easy to see what the radar level sensor is detecting and then configure the device for optimal operation using internal intelligent filtering. And to find out more about Turck's sensor platform for pressure, flow, temperature, and level, visit all the W's, turck.com.au. And thank you for watching. I'm Tim Webster.